morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. It is currently like 9:05-ish, and I just have kind of like a lazy chill day today. She's like freaking out over here. I don't have that much to do today, but I'm gonna go to church this morning. What is happening with you? What's happening? Oh. Reposition. Anyway, as I was saying, there she goes. I don't have that much to get done today. Just like probably gonna be a chill vlog. I really want to go to Sunday brunch after church with my family because that just sounds really good to me. And yeah, I'm just gonna see how the day rolls out and I'll take you guys along with me. So I'm gonna go eat like a mini breakfast because if we go to brunch, I don't want to eat like a full breakfast. You know what I mean? Look at this. Reba can open the door by herself. Such a smart dog. Okay, I'm gonna make my favorite thing. Oop. Breakfast tacos. Okay, I'll give a quick little tutorial on my breakfast tacos. So basically what it is just scrambled eggs that I put in tortillas with cheese and lettuce. And it's delicious. It's like my favorite breakfast food. We gotta scramble up some eggs. For some reason, I thought these were mini tortillas, or like corn tortillas. That's why I said breakfast tacos, but they're kind of turning into like breakfast burrito tacos because they're normal sized tortillas. Boom, breakfast tacos are complete. This is the one I made for me, and then the one I made for my mom. She loves black olives. So I put cheese and black olives on hers, and then cheese and lettuce on mine. Also, if you're wondering why I didn't make the rest of my family food, is because they're all still upstairs or sleeping. Okay, I'm about to get ready for church. I got this purse yesterday. I think it's cute, but I don't know how I feel about it. My sunglasses are in here. So I'm excited to see like what it will look like with an outfit. I got it at Nordstrom. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments because I would love your guys' input. I don't know. I think it's really cute, but is it practical is the question. Yeah, it is, but I don't know. I'm so indecisive. Okay, anyway. I'm just probably gonna do a time lapse of me getting ready now. Alright, makeup is done. Allie has joined me. Hi, folks. Alright, here's my outfit. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of it, but I have like no time to change anything, so we're just gonna go with it. Okay, we just came to brunch. Hi, Allie.
Hi.
Okay, everyone. So right now we're at brunch, and we're at a place. Should I say the place or no? I know. We're just at a brunch place. We're at a brunch place, and we're hungry, so we're gonna get food. Okay, we got an appetizer of artichokes. So excited! I love artichokes. Oh, wow. It's very cheesy. All right, we got the goods. I got fruit and these sliders with French fries. Okay, everyone, update. It is currently like 3 p.m.-ish, and I haven't vlogged in kind of a while. I got home like an hour ago. I've just been sitting here replying to your guys' comments on the video I posted today, answering some emails, and just doing random things that I need to do for YouTube stuff. But I want to clean up my room a little bit. I still have my suitcase over there. It's unpacked, but I need to find a place for it in my closet. I want to make my bed. Also, I told you guys in a video, I think it was my haul video, that I would let you guys know in a vlog whether or not I liked this pillowcase, and the verdict is I really like it. It's super soft and really comfortable, and the best part about it is that it does not get hot, so it's always like that perfect temperature and a tiny bit cold, because I hate putting my head on a hot pillow. It just feels so much better and it's more comfortable when it's cold, so I really like this. I'm gonna probably do a little time lapse of me just tidying up my room in a second, but I wanted to show something really quickly that I showed on my Instagram story yesterday. I got so many messages of you guys sending me pictures
pictures of you copying this down. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. So it's in my Bible. I've had this Bible for years. I think I've had it since like 4th grade. So a really long time. So this is the Bible, and I've had this little diagram here for so many years. I found this on Pinterest a really long time ago, and I've had it copied down, as I said, for as long as I can remember. What it is doubts and things that we as humans say, God's responses, and then the correlating verses. So for example, also don't mind my handwriting, I had to white out things whenever I was doing this, and as I said, I think I wrote this when I was like in 4th grade. So for example, it'll say things like, I can't manage, I will supply all needs, I can't go on, my grace is sufficient, I am afraid, I have not given you fear. And then as I said, the correlating verses. So this one is 2 Corinthians 12:9, Philippians 4:19, and 2 Timothy 1:7. So I'm gonna put a picture, the better version. I'll put it on the screen right now because that's gonna be a lot easier to copy than my 4th grade handwriting. So if I can find the original Pinterest post of this, I will put it on the screen right now. If not, here's this if you guys want to copy it off. Time to clean. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I'm trying to, oh my gosh, I'm trying to do my closet cleaning right now and just like tidy that little thing up. This is so bad. Okay, first of all, the reason I have these dolls is because I've had these since I was like 3 years old. They're the little American Girls. I have the toddler, the baby, I'm sorry if you're creeped out by dolls, and then the, like, oh, her poor hair, the school-aged one, and they just sit in my closet and they've been there for years. And then I have this thing, which I don't even know why I ever took this out of the outlet. This is my little Dream Wish Believe fragrance thing from Bath and Body Works, and it's exploded. It's literally all over the side. It's so sticky. I got it all over my hands. This is so bad. I'm gonna need to probably throw this away. It's probably not safe to plug it in because literally the juices have gone into the plug. So I'm gonna need to probably get rid of this. No. Oh my Lord. You guys. It's literally everywhere. This thing, okay, it's stuck to the thing. Wow. I just said thing like 8 times. This is my little card from the thing that Love Justice International sent me. I don't know why I still have it, but it's stuck to my art notebook. Wow. This is from my art class like 2 years ago. I'm really on the struggle bus right now. Okay. Are you kidding me? It's literally all over this thing. I need to wash my hands. You can't see because it's mostly clear. Okay, it's like 10 minutes later. Pretty much got all of it cleared off. It was mainly like down the side of this thing, on top of here. Okay, my room is pretty much all clean. Other than that, I think I'm gonna somehow store that in the garage because I don't know if it's gonna fit up here, or I'm just gonna try to stuff it on the top rack, but I need a little step stool thing to do that. So I'm gonna figure that out later, but for now, I think my room is pretty much good to go. Okay, update. I just changed into comfier clothes. Not that my outfit before wasn't comfortable, it's just really getting cold out and I wanted to wear something warmer. What for dinner? Make your own pizzas. Sounds great. I'm gonna go to the grocery store with my mom because we need to go grocery shopping for the week. She did not want to go alone. She begged me to go with her. So I'm going with you. Gotta get my phone and my sunglasses. I don't even know if it's sunny out anymore, but I'm just gonna wear these because I have not worn sunglasses for forever because I lose or break, hi Reba, every single pair that I have. So I'm embracing these sunglasses before they get lost or broken. You're driving. Bum ba bum. Doo, doo, doo. Just in case. Okay, I'm getting some pineapple for my pizza tonight because I love pineapple on pizza, so let me know in the comments. Do you guys like pineapple on pizza, or are you against it? I'm really curious because I love it. I'm also gonna get these little tiny street taco tortillas so I can do real breakfast tacos in the morning instead of my huge like breakfast burrito taco. They're so cute and tiny. Right, returning my cart. We're all done.
Awesome. I just spilled all of this trying to get this stinking watermelon out of here. Oh, it's not gonna stay.
Okay everyone, update. It has been quite a while since I last vlogged. It's currently like 6:30-ish. We got back from the grocery store and I've just been watching TV. I was watching the Buddy versus Duff, like the cake competition. I think it's so interesting. And then I was catching up on The Voice and The Good Doctor and all of that stuff. So pretty much all caught up in my shows. But after that's over, we're gonna make our pizzas. I'm so excited. We're doing like make your own pizza night, which I'm pretty sure I mentioned earlier in the vlog. But yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. Nothing too interesting, just watching TV. It's pizza time. We got all our toppings and crust. That is so much cheese, Mom.
Not really, because look.
I love my pineapple. There they are, ready for the oven. Okay, just made these cookies. I took them out of the oven to put in the cookie jar for this week, so we can have them because it's empty. You can see there's crumbs in there from previous cookies. We're watching World of Dance. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel in case you haven't already. It's just the big red subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you all again for watching, and I will see you all soon with a new video. Bye guys. Mwah.